We're now going to talk about Gantt charts. A Gantt chart is named after the chap who invented them back around the Second World War time, G-A-N-N-T, and this is showing the project as scheduled with start and finish dates and relationships between each of the tasks. This is done using a project management software tool. It can be done by hand with drawing, it can be done on Excel, it can be done in any way to show the relationships. The left hand side is a WBS table, that is a work breakdown structure table, and that with the scheduled events is your Gantt chart. On a Gantt chart, all items are drawn to scale. You will see here 1 day task, 1 day task, 2 day task. The arrows on these indicate relationships between one task and another. This task must be finished before these two start. This must be finished before this one starts. This must be finished before this one starts, and both of these must be finished before that one starts. Our tasks here, we're starting on Monday, the 1st of August 2011, and we are completing the project on Monday, the 8th of August 2011. The critical path on this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. On a PERT chart, they are indicated as red. On a Gantt chart, they are only drawn nose to tail with a scale in them. You can see here also we have a person as a resource allocated to both tasks B and C. At a glance, you would see that this job and this job cannot be done at the same time by the same person. So you would have to shuffle your schedule around or change your resources. You cannot have a person do 2 tasks in the 1 day. The Gantt chart and the WBS table form part of our schedule of a project. This particular project has 6 tasks, and this shows the relationship of those tasks. We have calculated we start on a Monday and we finish on a Monday because we do not work Saturday and Sunday. However, that Saturday and Sunday are an option if any of these tasks extend by a day so that we can still finish on time. If that happens, you then have to balance up, is there a cost on working weekends? Is the quality of your item going to be affected? Are the human resources available? Is any equipment available that may be needed? So we have there a WBS table showing the task name with an ID number, name. We have a duration, we have a start date, we have a finish date, and we have a column there with our predecessors. Predecessors on a Gantt chart show one task must be finished before a next can be started. This indicates these two here have a predecessor of number 1, so number 1 must be finished before those two can be started. There is a Gantt chart and the WBS table.